DNA analysis by Bayadin Sanshonsi. Objectives: explain the importance of DNA analysis. Second, enumerate the steps in DNA analysis. Third is describe how to use DNA analysis in solving crime. Okay. Ano nga ba ang DNA? DNA is a self-replicating material which is present in nearly all living organisms as the main constituent or chromosomes. It is the carrier of genetic information. DNA is made up of molecules called nucleotides, and each nucleotide contains a phosphate group, a sugar group, and a nitrogen base. The four types of nitrogen bases is the adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. Next is forensic DNA analysis. Ngayon, forensic DNA analysis is a multi-step process starting with removing the DNA from the biological material that is submitted to the lab. This can be the saliva, blood, semen, hair, tsaka skin cell, or any biological material containing cells with a nucleus. And next is 4 steps in DNA analysis, which is the extraction, quantitation, amplification, and detection process. Dun tayo sa extraction. Extracting the DNA from the nucleus, the materials then go through a clean-up process so the sample is pure DNA. And quantitation naman, ayan, and the quantitation naman is determine how much DNA was retrieved from the cells. Quantitation is important because the next step requires a specific amount of DNA to achieve optimum results. Too much or too little requires the concentration to be adjusted before the next steps. And the amplification. Ito. Amplification is the specific regions inside DNA are copied. Fluorescent tags are placed or regions of the DNA which will be used in the last steps. And detection process naman, ito, DNA is separated and passed through a laser. And next is 3 types of DNA analysis, which is the polymerase chain reaction, Y chromosome, mitochondrial DNA. Polymerase chain reaction, its uses in enzyme to replicate DNA regions in test tube. Tapos, yung Y chromosomes naman, it's the markers target only the male fraction of a biological sample. Sa makatuwid, ang technique na ito is very valuable. Na-detect ng laboratory ang complex mixture within a biological evidence sample. Dahil ang Y chromosomes is direktang nailipat sa ama sa kanyang mga anak na lalaki, it can also be used to trace family relationship among males. And mitochondrial DNA naman is, this analysis allows forensic laboratories to develop DNA profiling from evidence that may not be suitable for STR or short tandem repeats analysis.